Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create video collage on Instagram story. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Typically, you can add only one photo or video in one frame on Instagram story, post, or reel. What if you want to add multiple videos of stack picture in one frame? For that, you will need to create a photo or video collage. In this video, I will show you how to do it. It's so simple. So first, before you create a story in your Instagram, as we know, we can create the video collage on our Instagram. You can just edit it first from editing app that you can install on your App Store or Play Store, like this one, Video Collage. You can just open the app. After that, you can choose on Collage for video. You can choose on the frame that you want to use to collect your video. For the example, I will choose this frame. Wait, I will choose this one. Now you can just add the video. Tap on this here, tap on video. You can choose on the video that you want to add to your video collage. For the example, I will choose this video. I will choose this one, and also I will choose for the another one. I will choose this one. Here's just for the example, okay? So it will turn out like this. You can edit, like you can choose and repeat, you can rotate, you can manage the volume, you can change the position, you can swap it. I will just make it like this. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner checklist on here. You can just tap on OK. You can wait. Now it's done. You can return to Instagram and upload the video. So here's the video. It turns out like this. So now you can upload more than one video on your Instagram story. It's a simple, right? So that is how to make video collage on Instagram story. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.